You know what? You don't think the kitchen, this is the kitchen right now. This is a massive house. And they don't want for $45,000 for it. Which I'm sure people are going to bid up higher. They said it that the house had a major lien on it.
Yeah, I heard it.
This is a master bedroom. I just don't like the floor. Because I don't like that. You step on it and you tap them. And I don't like that. I don't like that. The sink and everything just in here with your bedroom. It's kind of weird. Make this kind of fast. Stool in here. It's a master bedroom. Come out the door, looking straight out that door. You got your family room and your family room. Soft right up in here. Why is it soft and spongy in this spot? Feel it. Feel it. Soft and spongy. What kind of kitchen is this? One of them hotel kitchenettes? Damn. You ain't got no kitchen.
That's a den. Washroom.
Another den? No, this is a bedroom.
Is that a bedroom?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a bedroom. This is a brand new house this is a brand spanking new house. How many bedrooms we done seen so far? What is this?
Bathroom.
I don't see but 2 bedrooms in this house.
Good. One bedroom.
Big old house would only have 2 bedrooms in it. Washroom. No, this right here, I would make this what? You can't make this a bedroom when everybody can come in here. Which one is, in here, in the spot? Good, this is right. This is a family room all day long. You only got 2 bedrooms in this house. I'm still thinking I'm going to go upstairs. Keep on wanting to go up the steps. Huh? Go up there and see. They got all that. They got a fucking camera in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you, it stink like hell because it's a stanky ass chicken plant somewhere. Like, look at those horses. Horses, y'all. Oh gosh, you would just so be alone at a place like this. With no neighbors, nobody. It's just you. And you alone. Look at that. See that? Somebody lost a beautiful house. Bless their heart. I know it's going to be hard for them to get. And see, they might have left because it really stinks to high heaven over here with that chicken plant over there. They turned that on and, nah. Good luck to whoever trying to get it. But I don't think I can fool with nothing like this. Once they turn that fan on, man, whew, good God, it's going to be stinking with that damn chicken plant across the street. Y'all see that shit? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. It's a beautiful thing. It's nice. It really is. This motherfucker stink. Oh, excuse me, fam. I ain't trying to get y'all mad with me and stuff, but y'all know mama looking all out here in the country and everything. I just like to do this for the fun of it. But I cannot believe they don't want but 45 grand for that house. It's crazy. Damn. I said I wanted to be by myself, but not by myself. Just me and a funky chicken farm. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Oh, I ain't through. I'm just trying to get some footage of it real good with my camera.
Where's the compressor? They got a compressor on it?
If you don't see no compressor, they done stole. See, that's probably why it's so cheap. And he trying to get me to go. It was right here. That's where it was. Okay, that's $5,000 needed. Because it probably was right there. 5 grand right there easily. God dang, you gonna be out here by your fucking self. Ain't no nothing. And he talking about some 50,000. I know you're not gonna go 50,000 on something like this. They can do it. Them investors can do it if they want to. Well, now, what the hell is this? This ain't. I'm gonna tell you something else. I don't see no acreage. I don't see no acreage.
What that to go out?
Yeah. Now, where the dog supposed to go? Is this right here a part of it?
I know I can take the smell.
Oh, and look, that's a chicken farm across the street.
That's why.
This your backyard, ain't it?
Yeah.
This goes with this with the house.